Alarm 557 is a result of insufficient air supply to continue the TSC operation. When the TSC is commanded and the air pressure falls below 70 psi, the machine will generate alarm 557 TSC Low Air Pressure. Press reset to clear the alarm. Here are some ways to troubleshoot this alarm. Actuate the air gun while doing several tool changes and watch the gauge. If the gauge falls more than 10 psi during this test, you do not have sufficient airflow. Take a look at your incoming lines. Are they large enough in diameter? Lines should be 3/8 of an inch minimum. 1/2 inch would be better. Do the lines have unnecessary bends or fittings? Is your shop compressor large enough to handle all the machines in your shop? Some shops may be running the wrong size or not enough compressors to supply air to a whole row of machines. This could cause problems when running all these machines at the same time. If you have checked your air system and verified that this is not the problem, you will need to contact your Haas factory outlet so they can look into it.